वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडिंग वर्ल्ड। आइए जानते हैं आज की टॉपिक कुकी से।
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ कुकी। आज हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे सोलर सिस्टम पे। क्वेश्चन 1, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम? ए सैटर्न, बी जुपिटर, सी मर्क्यूरी। आंसर इज सी मर्क्यूरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is in the center of our solar system? A Pluto, B the Sun, C Neptune. Answer is B the Sun. Next question, which is the biggest planet in the solar system? A Jupiter, B Venus, C Earth. Answer is A Jupiter. Next question, which planet is the coldest in the solar system? A Mercury, B Venus, C Uranus. Answer is C Uranus. Next question, which planet is the hottest in the solar system? A Mercury, B Venus, C Uranus. Answer is B Venus. Next question, which planet has water? A Earth, B Mercury, C Venus. Answer is A Earth. Next question, which planet has rings? A Venus, B Saturn, C Earth. Answer is B Saturn. Next question, which planet get 365 days to go around the sun? A Earth, B Venus, C Mars. Answer is A Earth. Next question, which planet has named after Roman god of the sea? A Neptune, B Jupiter, C Earth. Answer is A Neptune. Next question, what is the sun? A star, B a planet, C a galaxy. Answer is a star. Next question, which planet is known as the red planet? A Venus, B Jupiter, C Mars. Answer is C Mars. Next question, which is the closest planet to the sun? A Venus, B Mars, C Mercury. Answer is C Mercury. Next question, which is the second largest planet in our solar system? A Earth, B Mars, C Saturn. Answer is C Saturn. Next question, how many moons does Earth have? A 200, B 2, C 1. Answer is C 1. Next question, the planet known as Earth's twin is A Jupiter, B Saturn, C Venus. Answer is C Venus. Next question, all the planets move around the sun in A circular path, B rectangular path, C elongated path. Answer is C elongated path. Next question, the pulse star indicates the direction to the A south, B north, C east. Answer is B north. Next question, which planet has the highest mountains and volcanoes in the solar system? A Neptune, B Mars, C Mercury. Answer is Mars. Next question, asteroids are found between the orbits of A Saturn and Jupiter, B Mars and Jupiter, C the Earth and Mars. Answer is B Mars and Jupiter. Next question, Which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Earth. Answer is C. Earth.
सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट्स करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल मत भूलें.